up, everybody? Curtis here from THN Parts. Welcome back to the channel. Flying solo today on a little road trip back out to Connecticut. See some old friends. Drop some parts off for a few people and see what we got going on out there. I picked the worst day to come out to Connecticut. It's supposed to rain all day today. Sky looks absolutely disgusting. And it's currently 9 in the morning and it should not be this dark this early. So it's been a few months since the last time we were in Connecticut and decided to stop by and see another one of our customers. It's been probably 4 or 5 months that we're here to see Clark in this S14.9. I tell you what, this thing has come a long way. Full S14 off of the front, can't even tell it's an S14 anymore. Got everything stripped down here to get the new S15 rad support put in. Got the whole inside stripped down. We got Josh over here from JH Fab Works getting the cage welded in this weekend with absolutely no affiliation to Rob Parsons or CageKits.org. Shout out to him. This is just an incredible kit. Goes in so easy. Got the whole back side here completely chopped off. Can't even tell it was an S14. Going with the fiberglass over fenders. 80 mil over on each side. Nice thick and wide rear on this car. Well, I'm going to get out of their hair and let them finish this up. Don't forget to check out THN Parts for all your S Chassis, Z Chassis, and R Chassis JDM parts. Thanks.